Small and agile, that was our target. What the unit from KECKEX on the MIC 26 KÄRCHER can do, you will see soon. The front unit I can control over the remote display here from the cabin. With this side nozzle, you can erase the weed on special spots where it's not easy to go out with the flat deck. Inside, you can press a valve button and then it's the nozzle or the flat deck. Here's some facts to the new unit. KECKEX M13 boiler is battery operated, so no noise, the machine is running, you hear nothing. And the hose reel with the protecting hose that you don't burn you and you don't burn the ground. We have also the hand lances here and a holder, and we have a tap from the hose reel to the front deck. We have built here a 300 liter aluminium freshwater tank, and in the front we have the flat deck and a side shift. It's very small, so you are flexible, you can turn around and you can go where small spots are. The unit is really beautiful, works perfect. If you are interested, send us an inquiry and we will help you to find the right way for you. With our different attachments and this unit, it's possible to clean chemical-free walls without that the water comes back to you. This unit is perfect for industrial buildings. You can drive around and clean everything completely chemical-free. Also, the chemical-free weed control with the hand lens is possible with this unit. You can see the plant gets deep green and the protein is shocked, so this plant will die and get brown. You want to sit down? We can clean it with our unit. To cleaning waste cans with this unit, you can do it in few seconds. To clean some information boards, you only need the right brush and the right unit with hot water and steam. Clean it. Small and functional. If you like the unit, contact us and we will give you all the information.